Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. With me as always is Mookie. Wait a second. You're not Mookie. Oh, this is Badger. Badger lives a couple cabins down on the beach. Alright, well, Mookie will be along shortly. We got Badger for now. Well, we got a great episode. Might as well get right into it. Coming up, Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Come on now, Mookie. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. This is Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're going to have appetizers and a cool, refreshing drink. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today we're making some smoked Hoisin chicken wings, and we need a drink to go with our Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I'm going to do a Viciuos Virgin. So I got a tiki mug full of ice. It calls for an aged light rum and Myers dark rum. I'm going to mix it up a bit. I got some pineapple rum. I think that'll be a nice touch. And I have some top shelf rum. This is pirate rum. It's the good stuff. So we'll go a good 2 ounces of that. Half ounce of Cointreau. And a 1/4 ounce of falernum. I make my own falernum. Check out my Game Day Part 2 episode where I make my own falernum. And 3/4 ounce of lime juice. And then I have a nice maraschino cherry as a garnish. Alright, so that's a Viciuos Virgin to go with my smoked Hoisin chicken wings. I'll check on those wings and we'll get happy hour going because it's happy hour. So what I did is I cold smoked these wings. My Bradley smokers back in Calgary. So I just smoked them for 1 hour with my apple wood pucks. And then I brought the wings out and I'm just crisping them up on the grill. And then I'm going to add the hoisin sauce after they're nice and crisp. Alright, so I'm just heating up some hoisin sauce. It's very thick, so I'm going to loosen it up with a little soy sauce. Alright, I'm going to put my smoked wings in there. Give it a little toss. Thanks for joining me on another edition of Appies with Chappy by the Lake.